Welcome back, traders. We're going to do our breakdown, our weekly breakdown, but this weekly analysis video will be slightly different because we will be analyzing two pairs because we didn't post a midweek breakdown on Wednesday because of technical difficulties. So we will be doing two analysis today, and those two pairs will be USD JPY and Euro JPY. So right here we're on Euro JPY, and we'll be starting with Euro JPY, and then we analyze USD JPY. So right here on the monthly chart for EJ, that's the chart name for Euro JPY, we can see that we have quite a few levels that price reacted to significantly in the past. So we can take these levels into consideration for potential turning point in the future. So right here I'm just going to quickly analyze all of these monthly levels that we can get some price change or some reaction to in the past. So down on the weekly now, we can see that price has been trending upwards for a few weeks. We broke above this high right here, retested this weekly level of support, and we had price rallied upwards. So right now we're actually trending upwards to this significant high where price reacted to in the past. So when price retraces to this level in the past, we see a sell-off. So this is a significant level that price can potentially retrace to and have a bounce in the future. So on my intraday high time frame, which is the daily time frame, I can see that price has been trending upwards. So we can just extend this trend line all the way up to this weekly resistance level and label it. I label all my levels. Previous videos I explain why I label all my levels. It is very helpful and important, so you guys can take it into consideration also to label your levels. So right here we can see that we have a daily channel on the Euro JPY chart, and we can see that price has been trending upwards, making higher highs and higher lows. So we're also above our 50 moving average, that is indicating momentum to the upside. So if we go down onto our 4-hour time frame, what we can see is that price made a high right here and price failed to break this high until right here, and we see price consolidated on the level before we see a push upwards. So we can see that price is maintaining this bullish trend, and we can also get a 4-hour trend line in here, and this trend line has been respected once, twice, 3 times. So this is a valid trend line for me. So we can potentially see price coming up into this level to react to that daily trend line. So if I should draw my Fibonacci retracement tool from the pivot low to the pivot high, we can see that we got a 50% pullback into our goal zone, So we are looking for price to potentially go and touch our negative 61.8 extension level, which is in this region here, with also touching the trend line. So for this upcoming week, I am bullish on the Euro JPY pair until price reaches up into this level, where I would look to see if price is trying to break this trend line or reject this trend line to come back down on this 4-hour trend line that we have here. Right here we can see that we made a high right here. This is a level in the market that price reacted to quite a few times before we got a breakout. So price break this level of resistance, which this is an area, not just a line, and we can see that price gapped down to this area, and now we got some bullish pressure to fill this gap over the weekend. So we can potentially continue up to this level right now, or we can get some retracement back down before we can look to go long again. But my bias for this week on EJ is bullish. So moving on to the second pair, which is USD JPY. I'm just going to quickly go on my monthly chart and just identify my key levels like I always do. This is very important in trading, and trading is just basically a job that you have to be very consistent and do what you know to do, which is your strategy, over and over again. So trading is not something that you come every day and you try something new. That is actually very, very bad in trading, to come every day and just to do something new. The aim of this game is just to come and be consistent. Just perform your strategy perfectly every time. So on this weekly chart, we're not really seeing any significant level that price may react to. So we just go on to our daily. So right now we can see that price has been trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. So we know that price is in an uptrend. However, this sell-off broke below this level of support, which can indicate weakness. So what I am seeing right now is that price is showing some weakness, and I am actually bearish on the US dollar. So I'm expecting USD JPY to fall. However, our structure is still bullish, so we have to respect the structure being bullish and not jump into sales immediately. So we have to be patient and wait on the market to actually give us high probability setups. So I will just highlight my key levels on my daily chart before going down onto my 4-hour chart. So onto my 4-hour chart now, we can see that we had a level of support in this area right here, and price pushed up this area significantly and came and broke below this level of support. But we quickly saw buyers push back price above, and we're currently trading above right now. However, we can see that price is not in a strong uptrend, because since making this high right here, we haven't broke above this level as yet. So right here we can also see that price has been rejecting this 4-hour level right here also. So on our daily chart, we can see that price formed a level right here, and we got a strong close above this level a few days ago, and right now we're currently trading above this daily level. But for me to take a long setup on UJ, I would want to see price break this 4-hour level also, because of the rejection that I'm seeing from this level. So I wouldn't take a buy because we're above this daily level, but I would want to see this high being taken out also. But for now, I am bullish on UJ, because as you can see on all time frames, price is in an uptrend. So until price breaks below this level right here, I am still looking for buys, but below this level we can see sales coming back down to this trend line. If I should take my fib from this pivot right here and measure this impulsive move, we can see that the retracement has came to our 50% and form a double bottom right here before we got a push off. So we can potentially see price going up to our negative 61.8 extension again, which is around this daily level. So for now, I am bullish on UJ, but I am bearish on the US dollar overall. So we can see some consolidation for this week, or we can see price drop based on fundamental analysis. But overall, a nice setup that I would be looking for is just simply this break and retest of this 4-hour level of resistance right here to go along. So this is basically my analysis for EJ and UJ for this week. I hope you all enjoyed this video and it was very educational to you guys. Continue to like and support this channel. I'm out.